Hey guys, today let's learn how to change our username on Facebook without waiting 60 days. So if you guys are wondering how to change your username on the Facebook application and go ahead and also not wait for 60 days to change it again, you can easily go ahead and do this by tapping on your profile, tapping on your settings, and then going over to your account center. Now going over on your personal details should show you some option with your contact info and birth date, and tapping on your profiles over here should give you information of your profile and username. So just tap on username, and as you see, we actually have this option to change your Facebook username right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and change it again, you can easily go ahead and do so by changing it right that, but this will be only available for you to do. Let's actually see if it is actually available on the new update. As you would notice, you can easily go ahead and change it again and revert it back to your old username without waiting 60 days to do so. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.